To fix an Xfinity Wi-Fi connection that's not working, start by restarting your devices, which compels them to refresh their connection to the network. This includes restarting all connected devices, such as your tablet, phone, or computer, as well as your router and Xfinity wireless gateway. Another approach is to use the Xfinity app for troubleshooting. Log in with your username and password. Navigate to the Connect section. Select your device, and click on the Troubleshoot Device option. It's also essential to check the hardware connection, ensuring that all physical cables connecting your Xfinity gateway are properly plugged in on both ends. If you suspect loose connections are the issue, try unplugging all cable connections and replugging them firmly. Additionally, check for outages in your area, as this can also cause your Xfinity Wi-Fi connection to malfunction. In this case, you simply have to wait for the network to come back online. By following these steps, you can easily resolve issues with your Xfinity Wi-Fi connection.